Hello and welcome back to the BEILab channel. In today's tutorial, we're exploring data visualization with Matplotlib, specifically focusing on the stack plot type. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Let's get started with the tutorial. In the first cell, we'll import the NumPy library as NP and the Matplotlib library as PLT. Next, we need to generate sample data for visualization by creating one set of X values and three sets of Y values. The np.arrange0 and 30 function produces an array of integers ranging from 0 to 29, providing 30 values for the plot to use as X values. Next, we generate an array of 30 random integers between 0 and 9. This function is invoked 3 times to produce 3 distinct sets of random Y values, Y1, Y2, and Y3. After that, in this code, we create a stack plot that shows the cumulative contribution of the 3 sets of random data, Y1, Y2, and Y3, across the range of X values, X. By running this complete code, you generate and visualize a stack plot that shows the combined contribution of 3 sets of random data points across 30 X values. Now, each dataset is assigned a specific color, green, orange, and black. Then, we create a new figure with a width of 3 inches, a height of 4 inches, and a resolution of 300 dots per inch. This customization allows you to control the size and quality of the plot, making it suitable for different uses, such as displaying on screens or printing in high quality. We add 3 labeled datasets for each dataset on top of the other. By running the plt.legend, you ensure that these labels are displayed on the plot. In this section, we ensure that all text in your Matplotlib plots adopts the Times New Roman font style by default. Now, xlim and ylim limit the x-axis and y-axis, respectively. Then, we add grid lines to our Matplotlib plot with a specified line width of 0.2. After that, we add labels and a title to our stack plot. Next, we add font size and weight for labels and titles. Finally, we set the positions of ticks on the x-axis of our Matplotlib plot at specific locations. Thank you for joining us on this stack plot data visualization journey. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. If you have questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Also, you can find code examples on our GitHub page. Stay curious and engaged. We'll see you in the next video.